So I'm going to start this video out. This is the hatchet axe with the adze attachment to it for bowl making. So far so good. Turns out that actually works really good. The bearded axe piece here gets really close for shaping. You know, you want to take a small amount off. Sucker works great. This is not an everyday hatchet, obviously, because this adze is extremely sharp and it will cut you. So when you're swinging it and you want to use it like a normal hatchet, that's not a good idea. You can check up really close either way with this, but again, that sharp point is a big no-no if you're going to choke up using that. You really got to watch that. Now, what have I been doing? So take a look at this. Now, this is the first time I've ever used the adze, and this is the very first time I've ever done any type of bowl carving. So I basically just split me a piece of wood and started to go at it. So it's starting to take shape a little bit. So you can kind of start to see it curving down. I don't know how much you can see on this video, but it is starting to take shape. As far as the dish, it's going to be a slow process, something I've never done, never used an adze before. So we'll kind of look at this and play around with this and see how this goes. This may turn out to be really good, and maybe turn out to be a pain in the butt. But so far I'm rather enjoying it, and we'll keep you updated. The next video, if you guys want to stay tuned, we'll set up a tripod and you can watch me carve this out a little bit more. I also want to give a shout out to 12 gauge Tommy, long-time subscriber, great guy. You know, they say once a Marine, always a Marine. Well, that's Tommy. Guy's really good. Big Second Amendment advocate. So swing by his channel, check him out. I'll put a link down in below to his channel. What I'm showing you here is all that fuel, and this is what this is fuel, came from carving. So if you've got wood stoves, BioLite stoves, stuff like this, save these chips, guys. This is your fuel. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. So that's an extra tip. So this is Joe Prophet. Have a good one, and love you guys. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for almost 40,000 views. It's been a great trip. Thanks, guys. See you next video.